Hello everyone and welcome to the tour of my tiny home on wheels. So I bought this a couple months ago. It's just been sitting in storage since I've seen it. These kinds of things don't come up too often, so I picked it up while I had the chance. Without further ado, here's a complete tour of the bus. As you can see, it's just an E350 chassis school bus. Nothing too fancy about it. It has the 7.3 powerstroke engine. It's about 20 feet long, so it's fairly small and compact, so it's not much bigger than a typical van, but it has a better engine and much more reliable engine, only 200,000 miles on it, and of course school maintenance. And it's in really good mechanical shape, weird green paint on the outside. And as you can see, the interesting artwork continues on to the inside. At the moment it only has one seat, one extremely uncomfortable seat, so I can add another one later. But there's only one of me right now, so it's not really that urgent. One of the cool things about this bus is it does have AC installed. It doesn't have any AC while you're driving, but it has a lot of really good ventilation, like that nice hand crank open window. Yeah, and the vents actually provide a lot of air inside. But it came with this huge TV, which I don't even watch TV, but it's there. This interesting small stove, which doesn't work and I'm probably going to take out. A little refrigerator, it's just a compact 3-way refrigerator. That little gray box is toilet, just a cassette toilet. That giant sink faucet doesn't actually work. It's not hooked up to anything, and it probably never will be. And this is the rear area for sleeping. It has a lot of nice privacy. There's no mattress in it at the moment, but the mattress I have fits. And there's a bunch of storage up above it as well as an opening exit. And this area here is just empty. You didn't do anything with it, but fortunately I have a piano which needs to go right there. Yeah, I don't know why my camera cord got in the way. That's all there is really to this. It's a very simple bus on the interior. So it's been about a month, and now I am ready to start moving in. This entire process, I'll probably not actually start living in here for another month again, but at least I can get everything all set up. My stuff is ready to go in here, get organized, all that good stuff. So let's get started. So I just loaded on a few things from around the apartment that would make life a little bit easier. So just random stuff that I had, like tents, sleeping bag. For some reason there were a bunch of charcoal briquettes just kind of laying around. I don't know where they were from. And this is all the stuff from the storage unit that I have to put in. Now, half of that storage unit isn't mine, but all the garbage bags are. So I had to load all that stuff on really quickly before the storage unit closed, and so I drove the bus back down to the storage yard where it's stored and started sorting through it. There's just way too much stuff here. I'm gonna have to pare down on it later, but yeah, looks good. So if you notice, new windshield wipers. Yeah, the old ones were kind of terrible. It was just one of those things that I needed to do while I was down there that day. So, I was under a little bit of a time crunch, which is why it doesn't look super neat, but all the stuff's in there, it's organized, that giant box is going out of the bus, stuff that I don't need to be in there. Probably those books are going too. But it's getting there, it's getting closer. I found a small stove, it's a small butane stove. It might be a little bit more useful than the big one. And also this interesting Coleman propane stove, 2-burner. Looks pretty nice, just needs to be cleaned up. I was just testing the refrigerator and air conditioning, and my generator's running outside, which is where all that noise is coming from. They all seem to work. So that's pretty much it for getting the bus set up and livable. All that really needs to be done now is just load my clothes on board, and I need to get another storage unit, I think, and put some stuff in there. That sailboat you saw in the earlier storage unit, that's probably staying with me, so that needs to go somewhere. And then I have my car I have to deal with, which I can't really sell it right now, and so it's probably going to go in storage too. I'm still working, of course, so maybe that I use my car for the time being. I don't know, we'll see. But in the next video, hopefully I should be moving on board, getting my mattress in there, getting the pillows all set up, hopefully getting things organized just a little bit more neatly on the interior, and quite possibly installing a trailer hitch. I have all the parts I need now, and I just need to get it installed. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like if you feel like it, dislike if you feel like it, and I'll see you on the next video. Hopefully I'll be moving in by then.